ChengLi Special Automobile Company Limited, which is appointed by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of China. It is a big manufacturer, producing all kinds of special trucks. Our site has area of 400,000 square meters, and company has 1,100 staffs. Our company cooperates with famous chassis manufacturers, Dongfeng, Sinotruck, Ford, Photon, and etc. Our business include special trucks and truck spare parts. Our leading productions, 800 types of trucks and pressure vessel products, LPG tank, trailer, truck, and filling skid station, water truck, fecal suction truck, sewage suction truck, garbage truck, road sweeper, fuel tank truck, high altitude operation truck, truck with crane, firefighting truck, van truck, chemical liquid truck, wrecker truck, refrigerated truck, garbage truck, etc. Our company has solid technology, flawless inspection, advanced equipment, reliant quality, and flexible modes of operation. What's more, our products have roundly passed the certification of ISO 9001, OHSAS 18001, and ISO 14001. The CCC, ASME, and other certifications that export needed. We promise that all the products can get 3 guarantees for 1 year and enjoy maintenance and free technology service for life. After service can be dealt within 72 hours. It is located in Suizhou. Warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future together with us.